Good day, friends. Let me ask you a question. Do you have breakfast every day? Or do you just hurry out thinking, I'll eat later? Today we're going to talk about something that can really change your life. The power of eating a healthy breakfast. A good breakfast gives you more energy, makes your brain work better, helps you feel happy, and even helps you lose weight. So stay with me until the end. I'll explain why breakfast is so important, what happens if you skip it, and what kinds of food are best for a strong, healthy body. What is breakfast? Breakfast means breaking the fast. When we sleep, we don't eat for 7 or 8 hours. Our bodies require food again in the morning for energy. It's just like a car. Without fuel, a car cannot move. Breakfast is your morning fuel. It helps you start your day with power. Your body fully awakens when you eat in the morning. Your brain starts working better. You can focus, work, and smile more easily. What happens if you skip breakfast? If you skip breakfast, your body and mind get tired fast. Let's see what happens when you don't eat in the morning. You feel weak. No breakfast means no energy. You may feel dizzy or sleepy. You get angry or sad easily. Your brain releases stress when your blood sugar drops. That's why you feel angry or moody. You eat more junk later. If you don't eat breakfast, you'll be very hungry later. Then you start eating chips, sweets, and fast food. Not good for health. Your body burns fewer calories. Your body thinks there is no food, so it saves energy. Your metabolism is slowed down as a result, making weight loss difficult. You can't focus well. Your brain needs food too. Without it, you can't study, work, or think clearly. Now let's talk about what happens when you eat a good breakfast every day. 1. Gives you energy. You get glucose, the body's primary fuel, at breakfast. When you eat oats, bananas, or eggs, your energy stays for hours. 2. Makes your brain sharp. A full stomach helps your mind think faster. Students and workers do better when they eat breakfast. 3. Protects your heart. Healthy foods in the morning can reduce cholesterol. Oats, fruits, and nuts keep your heart strong. 4. Helps in weight control. If you eat a filling breakfast, you don't crave snacks all day. It helps you lose or maintain weight easily. 5. Makes you smile. When your stomach is full, your mood becomes better. You stay calm and positive all day. 6. Makes your body strong. Breakfast gives vitamins and minerals that fight sickness. It keeps your immune system strong. Top recipes for a healthy breakfast. Now let's see what you can eat for a perfect breakfast. Here are 10 easy and healthy ideas you can try. Oatmeal with banana and milk provides fiber and fills you up for hours. Eggs boiled with brown bread, high in protein, good for muscles. Berry smoothie, blend yogurt, banana, and honey, tasty and full of vitamins. Peanut butter toast and banana gives healthy fat and energy. Sweet potato with green tea gives slow energy and helps with weight control. Vegetable omelet eggs with tomato, onion, and spinach, very healthy. Apple with yogurt gives protein, calcium, and fiber. Mango or papaya bowl, good for digestion and glowing skin. Cottage cheese sandwich, low fat, full of protein for bones. Milk with dates and nuts, gives natural energy and helps memory. Always drink a glass of water before breakfast. It helps digestion. Not everybody has the same goals. What to eat to reach your goal is listed below. To lose weight, oats, eggs, avocado toast, and green tea. For better memory, nuts, berries, and fish like salmon. For muscle growth, eggs, banana smoothie, peanut butter, milk. For heart health, oatmeal, apples, flax seeds, and walnuts. For glowing skin, strawberries, papaya, and oranges are all high in vitamin C. Be careful of some mistakes even if you eat breakfast. Only eating sugary cereals. They make you hungry fast. Consuming too much coffee dehydrates you. Avoiding protein will cause you to become hungry once more. Eating too late. Try to eat within 1 hour after waking up. 7-day easy breakfast plan. Here's a simple plan you can follow this week. Almonds, oatmeal, and a banana on Monday, Tuesday. Boiled eggs, plus brown bread, plus green tea. Wednesday, smoothie with a few nuts in it. Thursday, vegetable omelet, plus toast. Friday, fruit bowl, plus yogurt. Saturday, peanut butter toast, plus milk. Sunday, oat pancake, plus honey drizzle. Repeat this plan every week. You'll feel stronger, happier, and more active. True story. Let me tell you a short story. Sarah always arrived late to work. She skipped breakfast every day. She felt tired, angry, and gained weight. Then she started eating breakfast daily. Fruits, eggs, and milk. After 1 month, she felt refreshed, lost some weight, and smiled more often. She said, I didn't change my life, I just changed my breakfast. So my dear friends, remember this. Breakfast is not just food. It's love for your body. It's your morning power. Eat healthy breakfast every day. It helps your heart, your brain, and your happiness. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe my channel, like it, and share this video with your loved ones. See you next video. Till then, stay healthy and be happy.